So, you're itching to use Apple Pay, but you live in a country where it's not officially available. Let's break down some potential workarounds and the limitations you might face. First, the harsh truth: Apple Pay's availability is tightly controlled by Apple and local banking regulations. If your country isn't on the green list officially, you can't just switch it on. One common suggestion you might see is changing your iPhone's region setting. To do this, go to Settings, then General, then Language and Region. Switching your region to a supported country might allow you to add a card, but it's highly unlikely to work without a bank account or card issued in that region. The biggest hurdle is the card itself. Apple Pay needs to verify your card with the issuing bank. Banks in unsupported countries simply aren't set up to work with Apple Pay's systems. Even if you manage to add a foreign card, transactions are often blocked. Some travelers have reported success using travel cards or prepaid debit cards issued by banks in supported countries. You'd need to obtain one of these cards, which often requires an address in the issuing country. Load it with funds, and then try adding it to your Apple Pay wallet. Be aware that this carries risks of fees and potential account closures if the card issuer detects you're circumventing their terms. While you might not be able to get Apple Pay working seamlessly, explore alternative mobile payment options that are available in your country. Services like PayPal, Google Pay in some regions, Samsung Pay, or even local QR code payment systems could offer similar convenience. Ultimately, using Apple Pay in an unsupported country is a challenging game of chance. Restrictions from both Apple and the banks make it difficult to bypass the intended limitations. Do your research, understand the risks involved, and always prioritize the security of your financial information.